back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to make a thumbnail. So this is by the company that makes Photoshop, but this is called Spark Adobe. This is how I make my thumbnails. It's free, but when you get the premium membership, you get access to these other stuff, and also so then it's just loading up and it takes like a okay, boom. So I'll be editing this. So I made that one for one of my videos. Go check it out, how to edit a video. So yeah, I'll use this one. So I could make people thumbnails so I do. I work with other YouTubers and I help them make thumbnails for them, like RZB and and Hyperlorax. So first I see this. I'm gonna be making a voice. So it just loads up. This is such a good image quality. So I wanna you. So I could. I'm gonna start from scratch, but like usually, I. So yeah. So I'll start from scratch. So while this loads up, I go here. You click this. Create plot. Let me click view all. I click. So then I click this. So guys, I click this. So I'll search YouTube or whatever you're using it for. So I clicked YouTube. So this is the one I used, and I use. So you see this? See how? Oh, I don't like this. Watch this. And this works on Windows, I think mobile devices, but it's much harder. So say like I want to remove that. You click this. You click this. Click. I kind of want to keep that later for the thumbnail thing. I'll change the color first. 3. Let me remove. Days in. This one let me replace. So I want to put this as like a microphone. Yeah, this is a good one. And then it'll automatically adjust it. So now there's an effect on it actually. So I'm gonna put a little bit of a blur on it. I'll just keep no blur. Now, okay, so let me so you type your thing. So how to use voice mod. So it's gonna see this how I don't really like this font. So you go here. I could what? Like this. Now I want to change the color because the voice mod logo, so have it to blue here. No, this one should be blue. So and then this one should be about a whitish. Okay, this looks good so far. So yeah. Now I wanna add like icon, like you can like get details of my other thumbnails. Which I do. Headset. Oh, sorry, caps lock on. Headphones. here's an icon. These are looks like the ones I have in real life, but I'll use this one. I don't want to change the color to black because most headphones are black. Align that. Then boom. We have the thumbnail finished, but when I get the preem, it's gonna say this. So good, and everything's good. I can also change the layout. Like this. This. Might use this for a thumb. Looks pretty good. Let me go back to the. So like, I think there's a way. Yep, I'm probably gonna be using this one. Cause it's black, let me change the color of this one. So then, let's do some white. Then make this black. Put that there. I wanna change this image to, I think like a, or maybe like a PC. So I'll do like, so I'll do a PC search. We'll see what happens. So this one looks pretty good. So now I don't know, now this and keep it a black. It won't. If I keep it a blue, it'll be visible. So yeah. So. I need to whisper something here. Someone donated Ghost Ninja $400. So yeah, you guys do this, and then when you do this, so then when you guys do this, you click download, you click start download, and when you do download, it should put up here, and then when you put it down here, it works here. So then yeah, so guys, so the software is called Spark Adobe. It's not Photoshop, okay?